Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, the bag has arrived and it is quite the bag. So I think this is going to be part one. So we'll get through as much as we can today, and then part two will be tomorrow. So let's open this up and see what is inside. Oh, if I can get it. Okay, everything is going to be packaged. Not separately exactly, but yeah. So we'll see what we got here. So I think we'll just take these two and we'll leave these two for tomorrow, and we'll start at the top. Now, if I have prices of anything, I will put them like in a, you'll see the price right there if I have them. So let's open this first bag. Get that. It's a little bit heavier. See what's in here. Okay, bag number one. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, so this one is an 11 count, 50 by 50. Isn't that pretty? I just thought it was different. It's called Double Happiness. I just liked all the reds and the greenish blues. It's kind of a teal and yellows. I just thought it was beautiful. 50 by 50. Now it says here 11 count 50 by 50, and then it says 11 count 60 by 60. So not sure. I think it might tell me it's 173 by 173, so it is 50 by 50. And it has 15 colors. Has just kind of a single page here, and then the rest of the pattern at the bottom. So let's see what we have. We have 321 red. We have 666 red. We have 815, which is kind of a brick red. And let's see. Anything else I know? And it does have 3865 for the white. So, very nice pattern, very easy to see. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. Let's put that up there. Does have a toolkit. This time we have 4 needles, no poof ball. We have a bobbin and a needle threader and a thimble. Oh, I see. Nope. Let's call it 5 needles. There's one in the part where it's really, guys, it must not have fallen down before somebody shut that. Okay, so 5 needles. 1, 2. No, there's 5 needles. Okay, we're just going to set that aside and let's see what the colors look like. Anxious, very anxious. Now it does have a full skein of, I believe that says there's a 1 there. So that is 321 red. And a full little skein of number 4, which is, oh my goodness, it's a bright yellow. 726, but it does have the numbers on it. And this one was probably not very much. I'm only guessing. But all the colors, rest of the colors are here. So very nice. There's that 321. So you got plenty of it because it's going to be the background. Look at that blue. And we have teal and like a medium teal, if you will. Kind of orangish yellow. So it's kind of on the orange reddish side. lots of that. There's your brick red. This was 666 red right there. So let's get that all. Oh my goodness, it keeps catching on everything. We'll just set that up there. So it's not too big. It is serged all the way around, except for this edge. This is your salvage edge. But very nicely printed. Looks very easy to work on. Just very pretty. Very pretty. Bright. Easy. Not real hard. I'm going to get my thing out here. And it is that stiffer Ada. It's not smooth Ada. But that's fine with me. It works just fine. So it's 47 centimeters or 18.5 inches by 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches. The actual picture size is, if I can get everybody to lay down, 15.25 inches or a little under 39 centimeters by, let's see, 39 centimeters or a little over 15.25 inches. So yeah, it looks very easy to work on. So very nice, very nicely done. And like I said, kind of stiff fabric. Now this will have a whole other set of symbols, like I said, but they're very easy to see. Nothing difficult about this at all. Not at all. Maybe it kind of goes, I think it goes this way, actually, because the symbols start from here down. So, yeah, I'll be interested to see how that all works out. And let's get the next one. Get it open. Maybe. Well, kind of try. It acts like it's real close to the plastic on the other. Ouch. Poked myself. See? Even I poked myself. Okay. Get it out of its bag. Okay, now this one is a little bit different. Let me get it out of its container here. All right. So this one is a little bit different. It is a 9 count. So it comes with this beautiful picture. I've heard people talking about these 9 count ones, and I wanted to see what the kits were like. So this is a 70 by 70. It's 205 by 205. And like I was trying to show you, it comes with a bag of needles. Let's see, there's 3, 6, there's 10 needles there. So, okay, that's different and new. Let's take a look at the paper pattern. But I just thought it was gorgeous. I loved all the colors. And at AliExpress, they do have a lot of 9 count kits, as well as 11, 14. I don't know about 16, 18. I don't delve in those because they're just too small for my eyes to see. Now, this one has 54 colors. Straight cross stitch. This is kind of small, so you'd have to kind of blow it up. But it doesn't look too horribly confettied. And I believe on a 9 count, correct me if I'm wrong, in the comments below, it says that it uses 4 strands on that. So what colors do we have? We have, I don't see any 310 black. We have 550 purple. No, 823. We have 814, which is kind of that brick red. 900 is kind of a reddish color, I think. Because 902 is kind of a medium brick red, if you will. I don't know how else to explain it. We do have 939, no 823 though. And turn it around. Whoops. We have 3371, which is that dark brown. I don't see anything else. We have 3865 for the white. But yeah, I just thought that picture was absolutely stunning. Just stunning. Gorgeous. Now it looks like it's kind of been smeared, or I don't know if that's the way it's going to look. I don't think so. But yeah, and I just love that parasol thing and that peony. Oh my goodness, it's to die for. Just to die for. So let's take a look and see. Whoops, I'm trying to make separate piles over there. Once again, it does have that stiff fabric. Let's see what's in here. So I guess all you get are the needles. Does come with 3 separate hanks. So we have kind of a lilac, kind of a purplish blue, if you will, and a pale olive green. And it tells you on the end what number it is. So yeah, very pretty. I hope the colors will be pretty subdued. And we have 2 separate areas here of threads. So we'll just start at the end. You have teals, kind of a red violet, if you will. Look at that purple. Some teal, kind of a bluish green, tan. Yours are 3865. Look at those pinks. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see the next card. This is like a drop in the bucket. Just wait. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. But then we have this one. And there's a lot of thread here. Holy cow. My goodness. Well, you won't have a problem seeing the symbols on this one. So we got pinks, we got magenta, oranges, yellows. There's that brick red I was telling you about. Kind of a darker blue. And I don't know where. I don't know if that's 9th. I don't think so. Gimme. I can't tell. Number 27. 27 is 823. So what color is? Where'd it go? 939 is 33. Okay. So this is 823. This is 939. See, it looks almost black. So there is no black in this. But just beautiful, gorgeous colors. Look at that green. Oh my goodness. And wait for it. It's coming. Look at those pinks. We have pinks, blues, purples, rust colors. Oh, gorgeous. And I believe this right here is 550 purple, the dark one. Some more turquoise, kind of a gray color there. But look at those pinks. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Ugh. Gorgeous. But that is a lot of thread. I mean to tell you. We'll put that in there and roll it up just so everybody does not get lost. And then we're going to attempt to look at the canvas. But it's very big and nicely printed. Holy cow, it's folded in half. Let me see if I can hold it as still as possible. But see how big the symbols are? Very nice. Just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, they have to make beautiful kits in 9 count now. We have to start something new. Does have the product number and how big it is down here. Nice, big, huge, ginormous key. Never worked on... I mean, I've had 9 count, but it was on beaded cross stitch. No, yeah, beaded cross stitch. That's usually what size the canvas is there. So, but very easy to see. Symbols, numbers, just plain and clear. Oh, and not to be outdone before I stab myself. Hang on. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze. There are 2 more needles. Holy cow. Where? Oh, where? Hold it. Time out. You see, hold it. We're going to put them away right now because, you know, it's not like needles have hit the floor before because heaven knows I've dropped them everywhere. Picking them up is the issue on that hardwood floor. It's not like they're on carpet. So let's get this undone. But nice, big, huge pattern. Just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know. And it's very stiff. But it does seem to crunch down, so I'm not concerned. Does even have a picture right there, but you really can't see it. It's funny that it's sitting sideways and at the bottom. Let's flip this over so you can see all the lines on the umbrella and little flowers here. I think this is going to be gorgeous. I just hope it's not too big, you know. Oh, let me move my drink out of the way. And let me see. Oh my goodness. There'll be bells. Hang on. Hold on. Oh, okay. I don't know that I can or can't measure this. So this canvas, it is serged all the way around. All the way. It is 70.5 centimeters. Now, sometimes when they give you material that has the salvage edge, they give you a little bit extra. So, like I said, it was 70.5. And let me see if I can go this way by... Careful, careful, careful. It's 69 centimeters or, almost 27.25 inches. The actual picture size is, oh my goodness, this is quite wide. Trying. All right, 57.5 centimeters. Or a little over 22.5 inches by, if I can get it to lay down, oh my goodness. Stiff canvas, but it'll be fine. 57 centimeters or almost 22.5 centimeters. So yeah, it's a big, huge, ginormous picture. You got big areas, you got little areas, you got, I don't see a lot of confetti at all. So that's kind of a good thing. So we'll see how that stitches up. You know, I've never done, sorry, it's just huge. Hold please. I've never done a 9-count cross stitch. So we'll see if the 4 strands, you know, work, or if you need to use 6. I have no idea. All right. That is going to be it for today. At 1, I will be starting one of these. Not sure which one, but we will start one of them at 1. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.